Time is close to 12:35. Actually, it's 12:20. This watch is a little ahead of its time. And I'm finally ready to head towards Ladakh. Well, technically I'm heading towards Udaipur today, but you get the picture. Two dirt sack frogmans mounted on my engine guards in the front. One waist pouch. These are all waterproof, by the way. Stormproof maybe, not waterproof, but definitely waterproof. A hydration pack. I think I'm carrying about 1.5 liters of water, cold water. Waterproof gloves. Waterproof socks. My jacket, bags. Viterra saddlebags. And my Axor now rebranded as Shoei helmet. I think in the next 10-15 minutes we'll have everything mounted on the bike. Oh, I forgot. This is a Viterra Pod 22. This is also waterproof. This was gifted by my office sometime last year. It's just stopped raining and it's already very, very humid and hot. So that's why I'm loading up the bike first. Once the bike's loaded up completely, then I'll go have a shower, get into my gear, and then ride out. Hi, कौन है वैसे पैकिंग करने? बाकी खोलने को है दरवाजा। बक्की तो गलत गली में चला गया, मैं अंदर हूँ। आजा। लग गए हैं। फरहान ने आइडिया दिया था लिखने का, एक पे तेजा। माँ किधर है? वो माँ भी नहीं। बस यार। बाइक हो गई रेडी। ब्रेक कवर्ड, ये बंद गया, ये भी कवर्ड और ये भी डन। Ready as I'll ever be. Time is 1:49. Time to go. Thanks. We are finally on our way after wasting almost half an hour with the Viterra waterproof gloves. Baap re. My left hand went in smooth, my right hand, what do you call this, the little finger, it just won't go in. I think the fabric got stuck somewhere. I don't know what happened, it just started crushing my finger. It was so painful, I had to just say fuck it. I'd rather wear the non-waterproof gloves and go on with the journey. I have to head towards Vasai. I can't even say the wind feels good because I'm covered in tarpaulin. I'm covered in all sorts of rain gear, so there's no ventilation for me to feel anything on my skin. Why is there a Naka here at 2 in the night? The PM swearing ceremony is already done. It doesn't look like it's been raining here, but why take a chance? As soon as I reached the Western Express Highway, it started raining. I mean, it's not pouring, but it's raining. So, and I'm trying to avoid all the mist rising from the cars ahead of me. I'm keeping a pace of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour because visibility is limited and the roads are slick. So I don't want to take a chance. Oh, and by the way, hello and welcome. I was so frustrated at the time of leaving that I couldn't even do like a proper introduction. Hello, hello. and welcome to my journey towards Ladakh. I've just begun. Time is 2:47. I'm wading into water, which Paran had told me I would encounter. The fresh update is I haven't even reached Vasai yet, and my auxiliary lights are no longer working. Sam had told me that this would happen. You know, when you actually are prepped for a trip and you have to leave, something or the other goes wrong. I still have like half the night to ride. So yay! Should I stay or should I go? निकलेगा? Dude said bike can go. I'm gonna go. Slowly, slowly. Yeah. Thanks. Are you shitting me? I've lost all lights. Oh fuck. I've lost all lights. I have nothing. No aux lights, no primary lights. Wow. This is fantastic. I think it might be a connection, loose connection, but I have zero lights. Fuck. This is a fuckity fuck situation. Time to call Akash. The horn's also not working, the lights also not working, and I haven't tested whether the ignition's not working, but I don't want to take that chance right now. I'm still about like 10-15 minutes away from meeting Akash. aa raha hu. The truck driver is wondering why I'm not taking the plunge. Little does he know that I'm riding blind. I think I need to get down and move it all around. Can't help joking even in these situations. बात है क्या बात है? चल भाई चल. बहुत टाइम लग गया. 5 बज रहा है. चलो कोई नहीं, देर से भले करे तो सही. जय माता दी करके निकले हम लोग. जय माता दी. आपके पापा टाइम इज 5:31 AM. और वेदर भी अच्छा ही है. You're still 18 kilometers from Charoti. Oh my god. We've just crossed Charoti toll at what, 6 AM, and now are taking a break for some vada pav. Oh yeah. It's not been good time since morning, but now I'm going to stretch as much as I can while keeping abreast of these changing road conditions. We were able to identify the issue with my lighting. There was a blown fuse, 15 ampere fuse, which basically takes care of all lighting. I mean, now it's already daytime. Whenever I do get a chance, somewhere, I think while crossing Gujarat, I'll find a Bajaj service center, or maybe just, you know, find a normal hardware or electrical store, ask them if they have a 15 ampere fuse, and then replace it on my own. I have the tools. I know what to do exactly. I have already taken it apart today once. I don't have the map on yet, but I checked. I am approximately 11 hours away. If it's 7 AM now, I should be reaching there by 8 PM maybe. क्या हम लोग सैडल बैग्स लगा के, डर्ट सैक लगा के निकले हुए हैं. भाई is a whole different level of luggage system. 551 kilometers to go. Since morning I've covered just 161 kilometers. And those are rookie numbers, man. Gotta push, push, push. Guy on the Aether, he just started chatting with me randomly on the road. कहाँ जा रहे हो? लद्दाख. अच्छा, अकेले? मैंने कहा नहीं है, अपने साथ 2 और है. ओके ओके. मैं लास्ट ईयर गया था. मैं अच्छा किस पे? जावा पे. मैंने कहा वाह. मैं कहा इससे पहले मेरे पास भी जावा ही थी. बोला हाँ, हम लोग लास्ट ईयर होके आए थे, पैंगोंग लेक गए थे. मतलब लिटरली 50 की स्पीड पे हम लोग ऐसे आजू बाजू में बात करते जा रहे थे. मैं देखा था दूसरों के वीडियोस में, लोग यूजुअली ऐसे फुल सेटअप देखते हैं बाइक पे, तो दे स्ट्राइक अ कन्वर्सेशन. आई डोंट नो, मेरे साथ भी ये हो रहा होगा. मतलब वैसे भी बोर हो रहा था रास्ते से, बिकॉज अब पूरा स्ट्रेट रास्ता ही है. अब इतने छोटे मोटे टर्न्स हैं, कर्व्स हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट रियली एक्साइटिंग. मेरा दिमाग एक्चुअली किस पे है कि अभी तो बज रहा है 7:30. There's still like 2, probably 3 hours to go before I can get a fix for my busted fuse. चल भाई को बाय तो कर दिया. I came from there, from that side, and then I took this right. This is what canal? It makes for a very scenic route. This is the Halol route, slightly cooler because of the water body next to me. Time right now is just 1:30. Feels like I've been riding for an eternity today. I wish I could just jump in this pool. Still 283 kilometers to go to Udaipur. It shows 5.5 hours. I've already covered 460 kilometers since morning, so just taking some time getting there. Narmada main canal. Okay. It's perfect temperature. It's just 35 degrees. Perfect temperature for a wedding party. To venture out in the sun. That too in an open truck. Wow. Just wow. It's a small town. They saw me with the bike and the gear and they instantly assumed I'm a YouTuber. I was just trying to deal with the heat, man. The temperature is 39 degrees. Oh, wait, it's 40 degrees. I am going to get through this. I've doused my jacket with cold water. I've had a lot of water to drink. I had some coconut water as well, but the heat is unbearable. Wow, I think I'll miss the sunset, or I'll experience a sunset on the way. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? क्या कर रहे हो? I've been navigating all sorts of village roads for the last 3-4 hours. Time to punch it. Lean master boy. It's a new tire, by the way. That's allowing me to lean so confidently. Throughout the day today, when I was doing village roads and when I was navigating that extreme heat, my heartbeat was spiking to 113, 118. Now that I'm on these empty and beautiful going roads. My heartbeat steady at 70, 72. Signboard reflects my emotions. बौखला गया हूँ मैं उदयपुर पहुँचने तक. New subscriber on the move. We had to actually slow down so he could see and subscribe to my channel. So भाई ने all the best भी किया है. उसको पता नहीं कि मैं लद्दाख जा रहा हूँ. तो लद्दाख का वीडियो अभी सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ गया है थोड़ा. अच्छा बनाना पड़ेगा. मतलब अच्छा ही बना रहा था मैं अपने हिसाब से. एकदम तोड़ मचा देंगे.